Transform your Excel experience with Keyskillset Excel course.
Hi, I'm Sarah, an accountant. Every day I spend hours navigating through Excel sheets. Complex formulas, endless data, and repetitive tasks, it can be overwhelming. I often find myself stuck on complicated formulas and wasting time on repetitive tasks. It felt like I was drowning in data. Then, I discovered the Keyskillset Excel course, and everything changed.
Why Keyskillset Excel course? Our comprehensive Excel course is designed specifically for professionals like Sarah who rely on Excel daily. Here's how it helped her.
The hands-on practice in a simulated environment allowed me to apply what I learned immediately. The video tutorials made complex concepts clear, and the engaging audio explanations kept me focused. I even got one-on-one help from a pro instantly, and the immediate feedback helped me see my progress soar. Now, I can handle complex formulas and repetitive tasks with ease. The shortcut formulas I learned have made my work as an accountant so much more efficient. If you're an accountant struggling with Excel like I was, the Keyskillset Excel course is your solution. Transform your Excel experience today.
Visit our website to learn more and start your free trial today.